Minsky, and we're baking apple and berry crumble. And the fruit compote we need is fresh green apples, fresh berries, butter but unsalted butter, ground cinnamon, and demerara sugar. That is the ingredients you need. But for the crumble, you need caster sugar and you need plain flour and a bit of butter to go with both of them. Let's get started! When cooking, please have an adult with you just in case. Before you start cooking, wash your hands. Get all them stains off. Get a towel. To make the apple and berry crumble, you need a bowl for the crumble to go in. You need this bowl for a crumble to go in the oven. You need a weighing scale to put all the ingredients so you can weigh them. And you need a knife and a chopping board to chop the apples, but be really careful. You need a pan and a spoon to put the apple and berries in to mix them. Let's get started. Step 1. Put 600 grams of apple in the bowl. Let's see. Oh, it is actually. Now we're going to peel it and chop it. Chop, 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 chop. Put the caster sugar in the flour. Then get the soft caster butter and mix it with your hands. Like this. Really relaxing. Flick it with this, like this. Get a little flour, get a little butter, and mix it. Mixture on the baking tray, then put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Let's see that. Preheat the oven to 170, then put the crumble in. Let's go and do it. Now we close the oven like this. Into the pan you put the butter and the demerara and sugar. Let's do it. We're going to do the demerara sugar first. Woo! We're going to do the sugar. Butter. Stop. Oh. A bit more. Oh. That's silly. Ja! We're all finished. Now we're going to mix it together. The butter goes to melt in it, so then we're going to do this. Then we're very thicker. So we're going to keep melting. Once melted, and put the apples in the pan for 3 or 4 minutes. Let's do it. Now mix it. Give it a stir. Come on and do it with me. After a few minutes, add the berries and the cinnamon into the pan and mix it. Now stir. Now stir it all together. Leave it in for 3 or 4 minutes again. With an adult, put the mixture into the bowl. Let's do it with an adult. There you go. You missed some. Missed some. Oh, very hot. Oh, do you want to try one? Nah. Get an adult's help to help you get the crumble out of the oven. Let's go and do it. Trying to. Oh, I can smell it. Put the crumble onto the mixer with me. Let's do it. Oh. Some more. Oh, and some. Then spread it out with one of these. With an adult's help, put the crumble into the oven for 15 minutes. Let's do it! When it starts to go, we're going to put it, the timer. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's wait 15 minutes. Look at this crumble, it's amazing. If you want to see more videos by me, check out Minsky.